and welcome to this quick tutorial of how to make a mold, a chocolate mold. Okay, well, first of all, I designed my mold to be 70 by 70, like 7 centimeters by 7 centimeters, which is good enough for chocolate mold. Also, I imported my vector image. The way I did that is to import a bitmap image first. Okay, so this is my bitmap image. Okay, and then using the tool in the assistance, which is to convert this bitmap to vector, I was able to generate this vector image. Regarding the text, I imported this text using Word, Microsoft Word. It was black and white, so I converted it into that, and now I have my image. What I did then is to use some tools, available tools here, like for example, for the text, I used this tool, which gives me the height, top height, and the bottom height of the text to get this height here. Okay, to get this, and then I used another tool, which is the shape editor here, to subtract the logo from the whole design by 1.5. I did the subtract, and I got the subtracted design, logo design. After that, what I did is to use this, double click on it, and I added the shape on an angle shape with a limited height of 10 mm, okay, and an angle of 75. I did add, and then why I did that, so it gives me a slope on the edges of the chocolate. So when I do the mold, when I pour my silicone substance and then it dries, I could easily take it off because of the slope here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, you can notice the slope here, okay, this is it's pretty obvious. Okay, after that, what I did is to subtract the whole square here to lower my chocolate mold, lower it down, so I have enough edges and enough space to pour my silicone mold and wait for it to dry. So this is the whole thing. This is my design. After that, after I'm done with the 3D design, what I did is two tools. Okay, the first one is the Z roughing tool. Basically, this tool takes off all the materials from that I don't need, and then the second one, which is 0.5 flat conical, it shapes my design. It's so fine that it shapes my design. Okay, I will show you the tools. So this is the fine one, it's very fine, and this is the tool path for it, and this is the one that cleans the whole thing. Okay, you can see its layers. It eats the whole thing in layers, cleans the whole thing in layers, and this one is a single layer because it goes directly on the surface of the chocolate mold of my design. Okay, so those are the two molds. If I want to go inside the specification of each one, I did composite relief for the whole thing, and the material is 30 mm. The slicing, and I called it number one. Okay, the tool I used, okay, it's a 3 mm roughing tool. Okay, and the other one is selected vector, which is this vector. Okay, and sorry, okay, so I used the roster theme, the technique strategy to do that. Roster means it goes through the x-axis all the way and moves through the y-axis. Okay, And this is it. Let's simulate the whole thing. Okay. Okay, it looks nice. And now it's time to go to the machine. Thank you.